Every app you use, every website you visit, every digital platform you depend on daily was built by a software developer. From fintech and healthcare to e-commerce and AI, companies around the world are searching for developers who can build modern digital solutions. And the demand keeps growing. Maybe you've thought about learning how to code before, but it felt too technical or difficult to start. You see developers working for global companies, building products, working remotely, and earning competitive salaries. And you wonder if that kind of opportunity is possible for you too. The truth is, software development is no longer just for computer science experts. With the right training, anyone willing to learn can build a career in tech. That's why Utiva's software development program was designed to help beginners become confident, job-ready developers. You'll learn how to write code, build responsive websites and applications, understand modern development tools, and solve real-world problems with technology. More importantly, you'll gain practical experience by working on projects that help you build a strong portfolio and real industry skills. Whether you want to become a front-end developer, back-end developer, or full-stack engineer, this program gives you a strong foundation to grow in the tech industry. And you don't need prior coding experience to begin. At Utiva, you'll learn from experienced instructors, collaborate with other learners, and build skills companies are actively hiring for today. Because the future belongs to people who can build technology, not just use it. Visit Utiva today and start your journey into software development.